Welcome, in front of me is an iPad Pro, and today I'll show you how to restore the device. So before we get started, we'll need a couple things, like a cable, as I have one right here, plug it into your computer. And then the second thing we'll need is iTunes. Now, if you're using Windows, you will need to get it download it from, let's say, Apple site. And if you're using a Mac, then you should be all set. It should be already preloaded there. And once you plug the device in, it will just automatically open. So once we have all of those, I have it already open, as you can see on my computer. So all I need to do is plug it in. And it should show up soon. Okay, so there it is. And you will have the icon right here now. So just tap on it and let it basically back up all the way. Yeah, and as you can see now the buttons are not grayed out anymore, so you can now click on Restore Backup. Then you get to choose which date. Now both of them are from today, and you can see basically by the time. This is the previous one, then the next one. So you can select which one you want from the specific time, and once you select it, you can just tap on Restore, and the device will begin restoring. And it shows that there's a newer backup as well, as long as you pick the, let's say, older one like I did. And you can just, if you want to use the older one like I, for instance, do, you just select Use Older Backup, and then, or if you want to go with the newest one, all you need to do is just select Use Newest Backup. I'm gonna use this, the one that I actually selected. And I was just gonna begin to do the restore. So you can see that restore in progress on the screen. Okay, let's just press home button. Now I had a passcode, so I need to put it in. Just tap cancel here, and it's gonna continue doing the restore. Okay, let's put it one more time. And you get restore complete. Tap OK, continue, 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 and get started. And as you can see, now the wallpaper changed as well, and there should be app being downloaded at the moment because it's being restored. Let's just tap on that now. And as you can see, the wallpaper is also, like I said, different. So the restore is complete and everything went well. And that is basically how you would restore the device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.